princesses! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Pellestudio. I'm not sure if it's Pellestudio or Pellestudio. It's P-E-L-L-E and I've heard it pronounced so many different ways. I just don't know which one is right. And I forgot to do an introduction for this video, so this is why I'm here now. But we'll get straight onto it, and if you're interested in seeing some really beautiful planners, then just keep watching. So my new order from Pellestudio is here, and I can't figure out how to pronounce it. I've heard some people call it Pellestudio or Pellestudio. I have no idea, but again it came in a super cute, beautiful pink box which matches my sweater today, and it only took I think 5 weeks in total, so from the day that I ordered to the day that it actually got to my door, which is really nice. The shipping is really quick. This is the second time that I've ordered from them as well, so I'm very excited for this one. So when you open the box, on top we have a little bag which has some spare strings in it, and oh my gosh, they have the cutest little sticker here of one of their actual like little planners. That's so cute, and a thank you card, which is adorable. Because I did get traveler's notebooks, I do get some spare strings, so they've given me white, purple and a baby blue, which is actually really pretty. They also have the cutest heart bubble wrap, like in pink. How adorable is that? And a little bow seal. I did get 2 planners this time, so the littlest one is in this bag, I'm pretty sure. So this is a pocket-sized traveler's notebook. This is a pocket wide, so I think it is just a little bit wider this way. It is in the silver hollow, I think this is a goat skin, with pink leather and the star dots on the side. I can't remember what these are called, just, yeah. This is so pretty. I'll have to take it out into the sunlight or just use my phone, a la Simply Logical, so you can see the beautiful hollow. This is so pretty. And then on the inside you have the finest cotton candy inner with a little pink pocket down the side here. There are 4 strings and they've given me pink strings on the inside, which I think is so cute. This one, I'm going to be using it for just like a little general notebook. So I have ordered some things to go on the inside, but they haven't arrived yet. So if you guys want to see a setup for this one and the other notebook as well, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm sure you'll see it on Instagram at some point if I ever get around to posting again, because I haven't posted in about a month. And the second one, which is the one that I really wanted, not that I didn't want the other one, but yes! This is a B6 size traveler's notebook. It is the goat skin leather on the outside, which is in the off-white color, and it has the dream rainbow glitter spine, which I can't see. That's better. It's a little bit dull, but oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? It has like silver sequins in it, and it's a pastel rainbow gradient. Ah! It only has white stitching, and then it has the pink strings on the inside and the same cotton candy lining on the inside as well, which is just what it came with. And then this one has little white pockets. I didn't get any extras or add-ons for either one of these planners because I was kind of confused if you could or not, but I'm totally happy with these little pockets. I think that these are fine. I'm kind of surprised that the B6 only has 4 strings, because the last B6 that I bought from Pellestudio has 6. So I was kind of expecting this one to have 6, but it's not problematic really. You can add a jump band in anyway with the extra bands. I will put the listings down below if they still have them up, but because it takes so long for them to make them, a lot of the time they actually run out of like the leather and stuff before, you know, you actually even get these, which is kind of frustrating, but that's okay. It's not up to me to promote them because I'm not working with them like that. So these are my 2 cute little planners. I'm super happy with them, and also just really happy with this one little sticker. That's so cute. If I could buy more of these, I absolutely would. I don't think that they do stickers in their shop though, so yeah. Let me know if you guys would like a setup video or even just a flip through video, but otherwise I will see you in the next one. Bye!